Other news, well, Narendra Modi is likely to be declared BJP's prime ministerial candidate by September 17th. Remember, that's the day when it's his birthday. This is what is emerging from the decisive RSS BJP meeting that's currently underway in the national capital. The crucial coordination meet of the RSS, BJP and BHP has BJP's poll panel chief Narendra Modi in attendance. Senior BJP leaders Sushma Swaraj and Venkaiah Naidu too are attending the meet. Though Advani gave the first half a miss, he reached the meeting when a short while back. It's been argued that Advani preferred to attend a book launch instead of the crucial meet. Over 65 leaders, including 25 from the RSS and 12 from the BJP, are currently in Delhi. Yesterday, after RSS made it absolutely clear that Modi be declared its prime ministerial candidate, sources tell NewsX that Rajnath Singh too is keen on this announcement. While Advani and Sushma Swaraj insist that announcement be postponed till state assembly polls, they are likely to be brought around by tomorrow.
देखिए, फैसला भारतीय जनता पार्टी को नहीं करना। बीजेपी का प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार कौन होगा, इसका फैसला राष्ट्रीय सेवक संघ करता है। वो फैसला कर चुका है कि किसको उम्मीदवार बनाना है। आज पूरा देश देख रहा है कि फैसले बीजेपी नहीं करती, आरएसएस करती है। बीजेपी के बहुत से मुख्यमंत्री चाहते हैं असेंबली के चुनाव के बाद फैसला होना चाहिए ताकि उन्हें नुकसान ना हो। बड़े हैरत की बात है, जिस पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्रियों को ये लगता हो कि इनके नाम से नुकसान हो सकता है, उन प्रदेशों के अंदर उसका नाम ऐलान करने के बाद देश में कितना नुकसान होगा, इसका अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है।
वेट एंड वॉच। बहुत जल्दी आपको जो है वो अच्छा समाचार भी मिलेगा, शुभ समाचार भी मिलेगा।
Let's now go across to my colleague Kumar Shakti Shekhar for more on that. Kumar Shakti, what are you hearing? You know, it seems to be a decisive meet there within the RSS BJP. The whole Sangh Parivar is together, but then Advani reached late. Clear reservations expressed by Advani on naming Modi as prime ministerial candidate of the BJP. What is it that you're hearing about the date by when he could be named or coronated?
Well, the RSS has made up its mind after doing an extensive survey throughout the country that the people want Narendra Modi as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. And the RSS has conveyed this message to the senior BJP leaders. They have told Rajnath Singh, and in turn Rajnath Singh has also agreed to it. In fact, he is convinced that Narendra Modi should be declared as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, and that should be as early as possible, possibly next week. But the only stumbling block is the Advani camp. Advani, Sushma Swaraj, along with Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the BJP's Madhya Pradesh chief minister. Last week, Shivraj Singh Chauhan had come down to Delhi and he had apprised the situation, the election scenario in Madhya Pradesh. He has said that at the moment, the BJP's Madhya Pradesh chief minister. Last week, Shivraj Singh Chauhan had come down to Delhi and he had apprised the situation, the election scenario in Madhya Pradesh. He has said that at the moment the BJP has an advantage in Madhya Pradesh since the election is being fought on developmental issues. But if Narendra Modi is projected as the prime ministerial candidate before the assembly elections, in that case the issues will shift from local and state to the national level, and possibly it would polarize the votes. That would go against the BJP's interests. So these views are being culled, are being debated upon in this meeting behind me in this Madhyanchal Bhavan. And Advani is being persuaded to come around and agree to Narendra Modi's elevation as the prime ministerial candidate before the assembly elections. Now, 19th of this month, Pitri Paksh is starting. So, if at all this announcement has to come, it will be done before 19th, possibly on the 17th of September, when it is Narendra Modi's birthday.
Sure.
Or it will then it will get otherwise it will get delayed after the assumption.
Absolutely. So we'll have to wait and watch how things pan out there. But thanks very much, Kumar Shakti Shekhar, for joining us and sharing all those inputs on the story. Let's now hear from RSS. In a rare conversation, the second in command of the RSS, Suresh Bhayaji Joshi, told NewsX's Supriya Bhardwaj that there is no difference of opinion over Narendra Modi's anointment as as the prime ministerial candidate. Hinting at the nod to Modi's coronation, he clearly said that RSS is with the popular opinion of the country.
With us is Mr. Suresh Bhayaji Joshi, who is General Secretary of RSS, sir. नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जो नाम पर मोहर लगाने के ऊपर क्या मत बन रहा है, पूरा देश जानना चाहता है।
वो बीजेपी वाले निर्णय करेंगे और वो हमको बताएंगे। हमने हमारी राय बता दी है। क्या है
आपकी क्या राय रही सर? हमने
कहा जो सबकी समाज की राय है वो हमारी राय है।
समाज की क्या राय है जो आपकी भी
जानते हैं, आप सब जानते हैं।
तो सर एक चीज बताइए, अगर आपसे खुल के पूछे तो जो पहले नाम पे कुछ अटकल, मोदी जी के नाम पर जो अटकलें उठ रही थी, क्या वो एक तरह से बीजेपी के अंदर से उठ रही थी? काफी मीटिंगों के दौरान
बीजेपी को पूछिए आप।
लेकिन आपकी तरफ से, आपकी ओर से मोदी जी के नाम पर ये एक तरह से लग गया है कि मोहर कहा जा सकता है।
बीजेपी लगाएगी मोहर, हम नहीं लगाते।
लेकिन आपने अपना मत क्या दिया सर?
हमने हमारा मत जो बता दिया है, आपको बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं।
अच्छा, कल क्या रहेगा सर? कल की मीटिंग में
हमारे कई प्रकार के विषय हैं, हम मिलते रहते हैं और हमारे प्रचार प्रमुख ने बता दिया है सब, और रूटीन बैठक है। आने वाले दिनों को सामने रखकर अधिक लोगों को बुलाया है, इतना ही है। और हमारे जो कंसर्न्स के विषय है वो हम सब चर्चा करेंगे। सुरक्षा है, शिक्षा के विषय है, कृषि का क्षेत्र है, ऐसे विषयों की चर्चा।
सर कल क्या इस पे जो क्या ये घोषणा भी की जा सकती है कि
पता नहीं, ये नहीं होगा। कल की बैठक का एजेंडा नहीं है।
तो क्या इसके अलावा जो है, जो बीच में इश्यूज आ रहे थे कि नाम को लेके मतभेद चल रहा था, कुछ ऐसा मतभेद है कि क्या है कि आरएसएस जो है वो सबको साथ लाना चाहती है?
कुछ नहीं है, जो निर्णय बीजेपी करेगी हम उनके साथ रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
So this was the General Secretary of RSS clearly saying whatever is the view of the country is our view, and in a way giving a hint that Modi might be anointed as the PM candidate for BJP. With video journalist Rohit, this is Supriya Bhardwaj for NewsX in Delhi.